The first thing you should adjust in your office to help create a more ergonomic workspace is your chair. Let's go over the adjustments you can make on the Aircelli 24/7 intensive use chair. To adjust the seat height, reach down on your right and lift up on the middle paddle that says up, down. Randy's seat is too high. Both feet should rest flat on the floor when you're at the correct height. To adjust the seat depth, lift up on the slider bar and slide the seat forwards or backwards. Set correctly, you should be able to fit 2 or 3 fingers between the back of your knee and the front edge of the seat when seated. To adjust the seat tilt, lift up on the front paddle that says tilt. This puts the chair in a rocking mode. Flip the paddle down to lock the seat pan at the desired angle. The seat tilt limiter sets the maximum downward tilt angle the front edge of your seat pan can achieve. First, flip the tilt paddle up and then twist the tilt angle limiter knob forward or clockwise to increase the downward tilt. Here you can see the front edge of the seat moving down in small increments. To reset the tilt stop limiter, make sure the tilt paddle is up and lean back. Twist the limiter knob backwards or counterclockwise to raise the front edge of the seat or decrease the downward tilt limit. It's important to note that if the tilt paddle is down, you won't be able to adjust the tilt angle limiter. The lumbar support is attached to the seat back. To adjust the lumbar support, you need to raise or lower the entire back. Grab the bottom of the chair back and lift to the desired height. If the back is too high, lift the back to the highest position to reset it to the lowest position and then readjust the height. The lumbar support should be about the same height as your belt line. To adjust the back angle, make sure the tilt paddle is locked down and then lift and hold the back paddle. Lean on the chair back to place it in the desired position and release the paddle to lock the back into place. To adjust the armrest height, squeeze the lever on the side of the arm. Release the lever to set the height. The arm pad can rotate a full 360 degrees. Grasp both ends of the arm pad, then lift and rotate to the desired angle. You can adjust the width between the armrests by loosening each of the armrest knobs under the seat and slide the armrests in or out. Tighten the knobs to secure the arms at the desired width. Reduce the tilt tension by twisting the tilt tension knob as demonstrated here. Increase the tilt tension by twisting the tilt tension knob in the opposite direction. Once you have your chair adjusted so that you are comfortable and sitting in an ergonomically correct position, you should be able to sit more comfortably and work more productively all day long. And while we want you to be comfortable in your BodyBilt chair, we encourage you to get up and move around every half hour or so. BodyBilt chairs are manufactured by Ergogenesis Workplace Solutions, LLC, exclusively at our plant in Navasota, Texas. www.bodybilt.com 800-364-5299